What happens when the lights go out everywhere? A widespread blackout is one of the most challenging events a power grid can face. And restoring power isn't as simple as flipping a switch. In this episode of Guardians of the Grid, we're exploring one of the most critical capabilities in the electric industry, Blackstart. When the entire grid loses power, most generating stations can't simply restart themselves. They actually depend on electricity from the grid to power pumps, cooling systems, controls, and other essential equipment. Without outside power, they're unable to generate it. That's where Blackstart comes in. Blackstart is the process of restoring the electric grid after a complete or near-complete shutdown using specially designated generating units that can start without receiving electricity from the grid. These Blackstart resources act as the spark that reignites the system. Once they're online, they begin energizing transmission lines and supplying power to larger generating stations. One by one, additional facilities come online until the grid is fully restored. But restoring the grid isn't just about generating electricity. Every step must be carefully coordinated. Bringing too much load online too quickly can destabilize the system, while poor communication can delay restoration or create additional problems. That's why utilities regularly test their Blackstart capabilities through training exercises and simulations. These rehearsals help verify equipment, improve communication, and ensure personnel are prepared long before a real emergency occurs. Whether the outage is caused by severe weather, equipment failure, or a cyber attack, the objective remains the same: restore power safely, methodically, and as quickly as possible. The public rarely sees the planning behind a successful recovery, but every restored light, every energized substation, and every powered community is the result of years of preparation. Because defending the grid doesn't end when the power goes out. It continues until every customer is back online.